DeFi has quickly changed the way we bank. DeFi is decentralized finance using blockchain. TRAMS DEX is a DeFi project that puts crypto to work for you. Earn passive income from crypto deposits. Start earning by staking your crypto in a liquidity pool. Step 1. Provide liquidity to TRAMS pool by staking crypto. This is yield farming. Step 2. Receive staking rewards from TRAMS pool, which is automatically calculated with smart contracts. Step 3. Vote and influence TRAMS DEX decisions as rewards have governance power. No hidden fees or lockups. Withdraw your crypto anytime. High returns, safe and fast. TRAMS DEX. Join today.